Before we discovered Jobber, it was chaos and there was really no organization. It didn't look professional, and we're selling professional products to homeowners. And I was trying my best to keep track of all the material costs, labor costs, and how do I present it to the customer to where it makes sense to them. That's what Jobber did. My name is Faustino Rocha, and I started DFW Patio Experts here in Dallas, Texas 3 years ago. I've been using Jobber for a little under a year now. The reason why I ended up going with Jobber was because somebody actually called me and we went down the list of what I could use Jobber for, and it aligned perfectly with what I was doing. From scheduling to quoting to invoicing, making new tasks, and keeping up with all the clients. Jobber just makes it clear. Since we do live on the road and we're constantly moving from job site to job site, I'm able to use Jobber from my truck, and I can see everything that's happening from either my cell phone or a laptop. Whenever we get a new job, we're able to quote the person right then and there. If it's a bigger job, we'll go back and analyze the project a little bit further, but we're typically able to quote within 30-40 minutes. Before, I was only getting 1 or 2 jobs a week. Now we're up pushing 2 to 3 jobs a day. Starting the business, you think you know where you're going into, but with Jobber, it actually organizes your ideas, and now you can actually focus on what I started doing, which was building patios, and we could build better patios. There's more quality in them, and I'm not freaking out about a schedule or my quotes. Now that I have Jobber, I know that I can start scheduling my life out a lot better. The moment I realized that Jobber made my business better was whenever clients were happy and work started flowing very, very efficiently. Now that we're organized, we've started expanding to other avenues. We're building fences, pouring concrete, and even remodeling the interior houses. We couldn't have done that without Jobber.